understand, Mom. It's my passion. I love snow. Ugh. Ugh. Oh, good. I've messed up the straightness. This is a reference to an old video.
Yeah. You didn't take it down, you idiot.
I didn't take it down.
Tape it down.
Huh?
God.
No, I'm not going to tape down my computer, you idiot.
Not the...
That's what moved.
Hello, everyone.
You're stupid. I hate you sometimes.
Hello, everyone. Wake is stupid and really likes the stadium for whatever reason.
It's an amazing stadium. I don't care what your polls say. That's my retort. All right, Purple Milk. What are we doing first? Are we just gonna start off with like mirror matches, and we're gonna do like old versus new, or what should we do? What's the plan?
Yeah, let's do that.
All right, which one first?
Yeah, Helios.
Helios. Okay, I can do that.
Helios.
First 1 to 10. Go Schwit. This is going to be an amazingly intense battle. I am completely elated, excited even.
Maybe if you actually watch it.
Oh! Whoa, that was actually kind of cool.
There we go, Helios.
Yeah, go Helios.
Helios is gonna win.
Shut up, Insta. You know, I think Helios is actually gonna win. So, oh, damn it.
I'm kind of thinking now Helios might win.
Oh, damn it!
Man.
No, shut up.
Do you need help putting bays on launcher?
No, it does the backlash thing. Not the bay, but like when you put something on mechanically, there's force that is... Shut up!
Oh, yeah?
Yeah! Machinists know what I'm talking about. Got any machinists in the crowd? No? That's probably because this is a fucking Beyblade channel.
Do you need help changing your diaper?
I do not. Don't talk to me about my diaper. It's weird.
Well, draw.
I think Helios got it.
No.
1-1.
If anything, Helios got it.
No, Helios got it for sure. I'm already very happy that we're doing this joke. I wanted to say gag or joke. So I said jag, and I feel like that's like a offensive slang term for something now.
Yeah. Them youngins and the cultural appropriation.
Cultural appropriation. You know me. Alright, 2-1.
Helios!
Go Helios, you know? Wait. You know, never mind, I'll ask later. I believe in you, Helios. Ugh! Ugh! That was almost interesting. I love battles like this.
Sure you do.
It's going great right now. I'm having so much fun.
I can't wait for Super Hyperion to destroy Burn Hyperion.
Wow! 3-1.
3-0.
This is amazing. I might only go to 7 with how lovely these battles are. Ugh. Good job, you genius ripoff.
Yeah, Helios.
What is that? 4-1?
Yeah.
Wow. I've never experienced such intense battles.
Limit break.
Go! Yeah, limit break! I mean, if you could, it's like two circles battling each other. This is why people think Beyblade is lame. Ah, I guess I just didn't pull the stringy thing hard enough.
Alright, 5-1, let's move on.
We'll go to 7-1 and then call the video there.
Alright, switch the chassis.
To attack mode?
Yeah.
Cool. Attack
I like how I
mode.
called it
Hiya.
Chassis.
Chassis. There was a certain someone who was like, actually it's pronounced chassis. That's how they said it in the video, so that's how it is, idiots. And I'm like, wow. Is that a spin finish or a knockout? It didn't technically fall out of the stadium, but oh, it did the thing. Did it? No, never mind.
No, you didn't. Let's give that one to Helios.
Yeah, but did we declare it a knockout or a spin finish?
An over not finish.
I hate you. No! It is now 6 to 2. The attack mode is really improving the overall handsomeness. Beach. Alright. It's over. It's over. Helios is gonna win, I swear.
Yeah, Helios has got this.
No, Helios.
But,
Dude, look, Helios got this. Yeah!
there we go, that's right, Helios.
Dude, look at the spin on this thing, dude. This is a dash driver. What is wrong with you, Takara Tomy? Didn't even fall over. It literally doesn't fall over. Just fall over.
I got infinite to burst it twice, so
Infinite Achilles.
Achilles.
All right, that was the battle. Upgrades obviously better. Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.